same sorts of strategies that you would have for doing maintenance on Windows. Most of them will work just as well on the Mac. It's just you have to go in a slightly different place to get the the task to run, or it's a shell script instead of PowerShell, or instead of an AMP, or what have you. So if you did if you have a check in here, so if I add a script check, and if I have a check that's user defined, probably one of these, like one that I've added recently is Sentinel-1. If the Sentinel-1 agent comes back, Sentinel-1 agent status comes back, Sentinel-1 is not installed, or is not running, or is installed improperly, or what have you, then that can trigger the installation task to install Sentinel-1. Sentinel-1 is a specific installer and requires an activation token and all the rest. So it has a separate, a whole separate process for installing or for repairing a broken install. But for the most part, yeah, if you have something that you need to have running on all of your machines, that's a good way to do it. And that Installamator application itself is a framework for installing and updating a bunch of different yeah, here we go. A bunch of different Mac apps and drivers and utilities and things. So here's all of the stuff that you can install with Installamator. So once you've got Installamator installed, again, it's kind of like Chocolatey. You use the command, Installamator install Opera, for instance, and it will update Opera. Or install, let's see, where is it? Ring Central, or Signal, all those kinds of things. So these are all the labels that are available on Installamator, and there's ways to make your own and all the rest. So.